Hello everyone, my name is Roberto Sotovalle, and today I'm going to teach you how you can solve piecewise functions. Now this might sound a little difficult, but you will see that once you get the hang of it, it's not really that difficult and you will be able to solve them really easy. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Thank you. Okay, so piecewise functions are functions that are given piece by piece. As you can see here we have the whole function, and as you can see it is given piece by piece. I represented every piece with a different color, as you can see, like red, green and pink. So every piece has to do with that function like this. So for example here 4, which is this one, if x is less or equals than -2. So here we have the -2 and the 4. Now, because it is less or equals than -2, we just have this part of the function. In green we have -5, which is this, but we have if x is greater than -2, as you can see, it doesn't touch because it's a gap, and that x is less or equals than 4, as I represented here, and this is the function for the green one. And last, the pink is this function, and it says that -2, which is this, if x is greater than 4. So there's a gap, and then there's the whole, it continues. Finally, we have this example that it might look a little more difficult, but it's not, it's just the same. Now we will do it slowly so that you can understand. Okay, so we have first this. The basic shape of this, we know it's like that. But we have a transformation, so it's a vertical transformation because we have this sign over here, so it's going to be like that. But still there's another transformation because we have another sign right here, and it's going to be a horizontal transformation, so it's going to be something like this. Okay, and then we have if x is less than -3. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's say this is -3, and we have like this. So we just have from this part, because it's less, so we'll just have this part left. Now the second one, we know the basic shape of this, it's a graph like this, the absolute value graph. But there's a transformation because we have a sign, so it's going to be like this. And there's another transformation because we have +4, so it's going to be, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. And then we have if -3, if x is greater or equals than -3 but less or equals than 4. So we have like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have the basic shape like that. And then we have to find -3, which is around here, and then the 4, which is around here. And what we have left is just like this part over here, from -3 to 4. So that's another piece. And finally we have this one, which we know the basic shape, is an oblique line with a slope, but there's a transformation because there is a sine, so it will be something like this, but we have a slope of 3 and the y-intersection of +5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we move 3, 1 to the left and 3 down, so it's going to be something like this. So what we have to do in the end is put all the pieces in the graph. Here, okay, so you have x is greater than 4. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we have left is this piece of the graph. So now we have to join all of the pieces we have in the final graph. I'm gonna do it with color so that it's more clear. So number 1 is going to be like this. We have this little part right here, which is if x is less than -3, so we have to find -3. Here it is, and it's not touching, so it's a gap around here, and then we have what's left of the graph. Now, second, we have if x is greater or equals than -3 but less or equals than 4, and it's this piece. So because we have 4 here, we have to find 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's the absolute value graph. So it's going to be until -3, which is around here, and 4, which is around here, and it touches both points. So it's going to be like this. And then until 4, going to be like this. Okay. And finally, we have this right here, which is this, and it's this little part, and so it's x is greater than 4, so we have to find 4 right here, and then we have to find the x intersection, which is 5, which is here, and then you go 1 to the right and 3 downwards, and then 1 to the right and 3 downwards, 1 to the right and 3 downwards, 1 to the right, 3 downwards. So it doesn't touch the 4, so it's a gap, and then it would be this line, and it's like this. And that is how you solve a piecewise function. Thank you.